So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Card Professional. So today we're going to be learn something proper up to the uniform butterfly layers, which can be flown up something clean and neat, and the unique techniques we're going to be learn in this haircut videos. Please watch till the end, you'll come to know exactly haircut video how it's completely going on. And already you've seen something like short the presentations which we provide with before start with the complete of the haircut to the short last presentation you might seen. So in that haircut we're just going to be step by step, we're going to show you exactly how we did it and how it was going to flow on the hair layers, and each and every point we just pin to pin and very cleanly explained it. Please watch till the end, you can just come to understand exactly haircuts and each and every layers where it's flown, and complete of the layer tutorial comes to scene, and you definitely will be enjoyed this haircut video for sure. I would like to request you all, if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're really new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's get dive into the haircut video. So as you see, complete of this is separated, and the horseshoe sections and the fringe and ear to ear and the back section we're just going to be take as to separating now. And so go on something like kind of these haircuts we just going to be create each and every time with new techniques and new ways and the different patterns you do. So something will be make something like different concepts, and kind of it will be really new things we're going to be launching and learning every single day. That makes more happier than before. Then after that I'm just explaining help up to the comb in the back portion, also in center portions, and finally I'm going to be start the one line basic before start the layer. And this is one of the particular key role going to be performed, which can be given proper up the layer techniques and going on clean and neat, and which can be visible very flexible when you can just tie the hair and put or open the hair. Anything you can just do, it will be looks present in that either. So this is a concept which can be consistently with step by step since a long time. We just carrying these kind of techniques and haircut. So please, if you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and please let me know in the comments below what kind of haircut videos looking forward. So after that we're just going to be start with the bottom layering, the graduation layers, which can be next in the elevations purpose. It will be key role going to be performed in this shortest graduation layers. After that I'm just separate the portion. Before that I stick with small guideline for the elevations, and rest of the hair going to plating it. You can just see that. After that I come to with release with the center of the crown portion, occipital bone to the crown portion between, and I pick from the center profile and just merging the guideline towards the elevations of my butterfly layers. So as it is with this thin section, step by step, very slowly, we just taking care of it, following the techniques. So whenever we do the layering, we pick some thin sections and add layers which can be visible very clean and neat finishing on it. After that, I'm cross checking. So finally I'll come to another side. Same thing, step by step, thin section we're following up. After that, I'm cross checking. So I'm just going to release the side portion after that. So before start the layer, I'm just giving one line basic. After that thin section, I'm just going to pick with layering and stationary guideline pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to merging in the layers. After that, I'm cross checking. Finally, I'll come to another side, and same way which I did the previous side. After that, stationary guideline pick from the back, and rest of the hair going to merging in the layers. After that, I'm cross checking in that side too. So finally, I released exactly horseshoe section of crown portion. That we're just going to be connect with the layers exactly 90 degree. Guideline pick from the center of the crown. The rest of the hair going to be add the layers. After that, I'm cross checking the center portion, and finally I'll come to another side. And that side also, just before that, I'm just releasing the fringe portion and adding with curtain bangs. After that I release all the hair. So this is a final look before styling and the messy layers. So after that I'm starting with spiral blow dry for a final finishing purpose, and which can be very significant styling we're going to be do with, which called like spiral blow dry. So that can be something makes more clean and neat finishing. The layers will visible very proper, cleany and finishing way. After that I'll come to another side. And finally I'll come to the side portion. So finally I come to another side too. So finally I release with center of the crown, and that also we're just going to do the blow dry proper finishing. After that we just comes to the with front portions, and this is keep going on something like the blow dry and haircut with every time the routines, so that it's consistently will be make something clean and neat finishings with end of the day. So overall, how is it my video? Please let me know in the comments below. If you really like my video, please hit the like button, do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So after that I come to the fringe portion. The blow dry will be going to be finished, and after that we will release the hair overall, and I'm pretty much excited to have a look in that. This is a final look which we did it complete up the haircut and butterfly layers. Hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. The layers, the flowing was complete, clean, mesmerizing, visible, very flexy and glossy finishing. From the front also is looking very clean and neat as well, with along with the more density and volume as of now. So that's a concept we just every time we keep following the techniques of the haircuts, which is can be give you ethically more really visible, attractive on the layering, and any other you can just stylings also you can just take it. So after that I'm showing to my client with complete of the haircut finishing, and she also very much happy with the end look. So after this we're just going to start with the texturing. So before texturing, just showing it complete of the how it will look like. And finally we started something texturing on the hair. The texture it will be major impact which can be provide. It's clean and neat finishing on the layers, and the long lasting more and visible, very clean and flexible. So ensure after done the haircut you must add some texture which can be grown clean and neat finishing as I felt. So all the side section got finished. Now I'm come to the center section. The last two sections get remained. After that we just see the fringe portions, and the cut will be going to finish complete of the haircut. So that is my final look. So hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the something new concept and more mesmerizing crispy layer videos. Until take care and be safe.